As humans, we possess the ability to monitor and control various functions of our physiology. We can regulate our heart rate and our respiration cycles to modulate the physiological state. The physiological state includes your physical, cognitive, and emotional energy. We are electromagnetic organisms, and energy is our primary source of existence. As a human, you perform 24/7, 365, regardless of your title, position, role, and responsibilities. When we examine level of performance on the y-axis as a function of the physiological state on the x-axis, typically people assume a positive relationship between the two constructs, but that is incorrect. Instead, what we see is an inverted U relationship. The area under the curve is an indication of equilibrium within the physiological state. Not too low, not too high. This form of balance is akin to flow state, the most efficient and effective zone for human performance optimization. Thank you for joining the mission. Subscribe to learn more about human performance optimization.